A cold and icy start this morning with widespread frost, but plenty of crisp winter sunshine. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Thursday Balls.
This morning when I got up, it was going to be super.
The rain and snow mixed through the south of England yesterday, but there's a lot of cloud associated with that. So cloud helps to keep in a little bit of that heat. So the far southeast of England, the temperatures haven't quite fallen below freezing, but everywhere else is sub-zero. So anywhere where wet weather fell yesterday could be very icy. We saw Nick Dixon there in Brighton. We've got snowfall there. So anywhere that had snowfall last night, the skies then cleared and it's still with us. So ice is the big problem first thing this morning. Good morning to you. Yes, the main thing you will need to do when you step outside first thing this morning is wrap up warmly if you are heading outside. And if you are heading out in your car, you'll need to scrape your windscreen because it is bitingly cold. First thing this morning, these are the latest warnings we have in force, mostly for ice or for snow, but some parts of the Northern Ireland have some dense fog around them to be very sticky on the pavements and on the streets. And yet again, we have more snow showers for these northern and western areas, but elsewhere it is largely dry. So this morning, it's one of scraping the windscreen and adding those extra layers again, because look at those temperatures, 2 to 5 degrees. When you add in the wind chill, it will feel sub-zero. So how long does this cold last? Well, it started on Sunday. The grips of it, particularly across the north of the UK, where last night we had minus 11.7 degrees, the coldest night of the season so far for England. And this is our average temperature line here across the north of the UK, way below average. Welcome news for those who are not liking the cold weather. It turns milder, back to where it should be by the start of next week. Percentage chance of rainfall relatively low, the odd wintry shower. The change and transition on Monday is rain before it turns milder. Fortunes further south for England and Wales for the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures compared to where they should be, we are still way below. With these nighttime frosts, more ice will be a concern. Milder by the start of next week, and the outlook is thankfully largely dry. Good morning to you. Yes, it is a cold, frosty and icy start to the day this morning. We had the band of rain, sleet and snow across southern areas yesterday, and with clearer skies and sub-zero temperatures for many away from the southeast, it means it could be icy first thing. Further snow showers for western areas of Wales and northern Scotland means there's warnings here, and fog a concern across Northern Ireland. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. It is a cold, frosty and icy start across the UK first thing this morning, with sub-zero temperatures widely across the UK. Yesterday, we had a band of rain, sleet and snow across the south, still some snowfall lying through southern counties of England. The legacy of cloud here holding back. It means that the far southeast is frost-free, but everywhere else. Good morning to you. It is cold, frosty and icy this morning. We have multiple weather warnings for snow and ice for many areas where we had the wet weather fall yesterday, and one for fog as well. But when they clear, it's set to be a gorgeous day with crisp winter sunshine. The latest radar shows snow showers in the north and west and across North Wales. The legacy of that rain across the southeast means it's frost-free here, but everywhere else, the blue tinge shows a widespread frost. If roads and pavements haven't been treated, it'll be very slippy, so take care walking and driving today, and you'll need to scrape that windscreen still. And some temperatures in the north may even struggle to climb above freezing today. It's 2 to 5 on the thermometer, but when you add in this biting northerly wind, it will feel sub-zero, and tonight set to be even colder, as low as minus 16. For the weather where you are